Well, hello, and welcome to the Learning Portal for the Leading the Heart of the Community Leadership Bootcamp. I welcome you. Thanks for coming. Obviously, you have effectively created your username and password, and here we go. So, every couple days for the next 30 days, we're going to start posting information in this portal around these systems. Remember, systems to manage or lead yourself, systems to more effectively lead others, and systems to make an impact in the community. Now we're going to call this week 0 since we're kind of starting halfway through the week. It's Tuesday or Wednesday or whenever you're looking at this. So this is week 0. So I'm going to take it easy on you this week. I've already given you an assignment. Don't forget to send out that survey. What am I doing right? What is it that frustrates you about what I do? Suggestions for my improvement. And then the third question on that survey is going to be, if you could send me back to school, what class would you make me take? Now remember, that survey should go out anonymously. Now whether you do it online with like SurveyMonkey or something like that, or maybe a Google app where you create the survey and send out a link and then people respond, but they can do it anonymously. Or you put it on a piece of paper and hand it out and tell people to put it in your box or put it under your door or whatever it might be. You want them to be able to send it anonymously. Now next week, I'll tell you what the survey results could mean. We'll explain the survey results next week. Don't forget to do that exercise. On the portal today, what I've posted is a process for personal change. We call it the change continuum. A system for you changing. Someone points out a deficiency and you want to change it. How do you do that? There's a new skill that you'd like to acquire. How do you do that? The fact of the matter is that most people don't change. If you want to be a great leader today, one of the top tools you have in your toolkit is a process for changing, a system for changing. We've given you that. In addition, I posted another video. It's an exercise called Understanding Your Leadership Style. Now, I want you to take that when you have a moment. It takes about 15-20 minutes. What's your leadership style? Where are you at now in the way that you lead other people, lead yourself and lead others? Now, if you work with others, if you're not just flying solo, it might be an interesting exercise to do with them as well. Why? To gain alignment. You see, the better I understand your style, the better you understand my style, the greater likelihood it is that we'll have some alignment. If you're on a board, this is a great exercise to do with everybody so that we better understand our styles. If you're working on a committee, the same would be true. Or in your workplace, if you have a group that works together all the time, even better. The whole point is to understand my leadership style, understand your leadership style, and then that understanding helps us to work together better, to be in alignment with one another. So that's where we're going to start. Check back in a couple of days and there'll be new information posted. Remember, you're the heart of the community. You lead the heart of the community. You make a significant difference in people's lives. And when you're leading well, when the heart of the community is strong, the community thrives. And when it's not, the community figuratively dies. Thank you for being a part. We'll talk to you soon. Oh, and don't forget to make your commitment over there on the, your right-hand side, my left-hand side. Make your commitment. See you later, everybody.